Today's business owners face an overwhelming task: how to engage contacts that become leads and turn those leads into customers. Social media has transformed the way businesses market. Every day, there are new ways to connect in the virtual world. Yet with so many options, you may ask yourself, is there a better way, an easier way, a more direct way? And with that goal in mind, Linked Assist was created. There's no question that LinkedIn is the world's most popular social network for business. It's built for people who are serious about making B2B connections and excel in business and in life. When used smartly, LinkedIn can be a money-making machine. That's not to say it's simple, though. The biggest challenge with any social media platform is making connections on a one-to-one level. Who has that kind of time and patience with today's get-it-done-now lifestyle? Once you make a connection, how do you make them a paying customer? Well, that's where Linked Assist goes to work. The product is a powerful automation tool that was designed as an easy-to-use Chrome extension that anyone can manage. Think of Linked Assist as a revolutionary step forward that will turbocharge your marketing goals. Now, instead of spending hours using the basic features of LinkedIn with minimal results, you can automate the most important marketing tasks in mere minutes. This revolutionary software does all the work for any business looking to maximize their marketing efforts. It is ideal for professionals, marketers, and recruiters. Linked Assist is easy to use. There's no technical expertise needed. Has more features than any similar software on the market, with more planned soon. Listen, we've taken the best social media platform for business and added powerful tools to knock business out of the park. Linked Assist is the best Google Chrome extension and LinkedIn automation tool on the market. Click the link below to start your journey.